What's up guys, welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. Today we're going to be discovering another amazing African company which is doing so many wonderful things out there. So today we're going to be reviewing piggyvest. So let's get straight into the video. So piggyvest, you can find it at piggyvest.com, and when you reach onto their website, you're going to be presented with this. Straight away you have their mission, which is clearly stipulated on here: to give everyone the power to better manage and grow their finances. I guess that's what they're all about. And so scrolling down, we have a short story from them, and we have the different publications on which they were featured. I really find that there isn't really much information going on the main page, but there are definitely other pages that we can check out to get more information. But from what you can tell, it's a finance app. And so what do they allow you to do? They allow you to save, piggy bank, automated savings, save locked, fixed savings, target savings, goal-oriented savings, flex naira, flexible savings, and flex dollar savings. And so let's check out each of those services. And so here we have the piggy bank, automated savings. So strict daily, weekly, or monthly automatic savings, and earn up to 10% per annum. Yeah, so this is going to allow you to save your money, and automatically, I guess they're going to be taking it from maybe a digital wallet or your bank directly. So save without thinking about it. So save automatically, save on the go, and build the discipline of constantly saving. So build your savings small, like they say. And so yeah, that's one of the features they offer. They equally have saved lock, which is going to allow you to save some money and have no access to it. You know, if you're like me, then sometimes even when you're saving, you always dip your hand into it. But with this feature, you will not have access to that income until after a specific period of time you would have decided. Keep in mind that each of these savings has some profits you're going to be getting at the end of the year. And in this case, they say you earn up to 12%, 12.5% paid upfront. Yeah, so stay disciplined and avoid the temptation. So you're in control, you manage your money, earn interest upfront. As you can see, they have different packages depending on the days, the number of days you choose to save. Like 30 days, you get a certain percentage. To 31 to 60 days, you get a certain percentage, and so on and so forth. So avoid temptations, lock your money in there. And so if you continue, you equally have target savings. If you're aiming for a specific goal, you can use your target savings feature. Save towards multiple goals, your targets, your rules. Save with a group, daily interest accrued, and so on and so forth. Yeah, so you see you have your different target, little and saving, and so on and so forth. So you can choose the name you want to give to that. So you equally have flex naira and flex dollar. You're not going to check those out. Then you have another feature for investing. So let's check out that. Invest on the go, invest securely and confidently on the go, up to 25% returns, 6 to 12 months duration. So they have curated projects they have selected, and they are vetted, and you can easily invest into those projects. So simple investment with great returns. Investment simplified. Invest confidently, diversify your portfolio. We've made it easier for anyone to get started. Finally, you can access pre-vetted low, medium risks, primary and secondary investment opportunities easily with any amount you have, no hidden fees and charges throughout. Yeah, so recent opportunities on Investify. Yeah, so these are some opportunities. You can see the number of investments already made. Yeah, so you can equally check out the story sections and the FAQs where you get more in-depth information. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. piggyvest is a savings app that's going to allow you to manage your finances, save some income, and earn some return in those on those savings. So I'm intrigued by their rates. They're talking about paying upfront and equally some decent percentages on your savings. So this is really encouraging and really something you should definitely check out. So I believe at the moment, this should be in Nigeria only, unless I'm mistaken. But definitely, this is service I believe should be extended all through Africa. So definitely check it out. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on another episode of Discovering Amazing African Companies. Thanks.